Hey everybody, Economic Ninja here. So today I woke up, cryptos are down pretty heavy today. Whew, man, I wish I had some more cash in the hopper already, but I don't. Not that I want to spend, at least, not at this valuation. If it goes down even more, I might pick some up. But the point is, we have cryptos down, we've got precious metals down, we got everything else down except for the dollar. And that's really telling. I'm telling you right now, this Evergrande thing is picking up steam, and there are funds and wealthy individuals moving to cash right now. You saw the Dow Jones is down. When I did this, it was like 400 points. What I believe you're seeing is a small liquidation event, and it can get worse. It can get worse from here. Remember, what happened with Lehman Brothers was it picked up pace, until it hit fever pitch mid-September. Wow, isn't that weird? Isn't that weird? Mid-September of 2008. These cycles you cannot deny, guys. 7-year cycles, 50-year cycles, super cycles of 100 years. And we are seeing a bubble popping right now. I believe the really big one comes in the spring. Quite frankly, that's really relieved, but for sure I believe something big is gonna happen, in my non-professional opinion, not a financial advisor, in 2022. But I believe this is this systemic start. And like you saw in a video earlier where I showed you the stock indices in 2008 start really from 2007, 2008 are coming down. That's already happening behind the scenes, but the problem is the indices are actually showing up right now because of a handful of stocks, those FANG stocks, you know. They're just insane valuations. They're not worth what you are looking at. Tesla is not worth what you're looking at because you're in a diluted world right now. Now, does that mean Tesla's gonna go down in price? No, it's gonna probably keep going up in price. But that doesn't mean it's worth it, okay? And the thing is it's with the day it turns, you aren't gonna be able to get out of its way, okay? And I'm not saying get out of stocks, okay? I'm not a financial advisor. What I'm trying to show you is the behind the scenes. Like that CNBC story that most of the stocks are down 20% over the last year. And people aren't paying attention to this. There's a ton of weakness in these stocks, and these big fund managers, you know, like Cathie Wood, hey, they're super smart, but they don't make money by sitting there telling you the market's gonna crash, okay? Michael Burry is the smart one in the room. He's the one telling you, guys, hyperinflation's coming, the market's gonna collapse, get out, hedge yourself, right? And he's still doing some speculative things, but that guy's really intelligent. Whereas these other hedge fund managers, they don't make any money by telling you the market's gonna collapse. They want you to buy more of their fund. That's just how it works. And so, I want people to realize what is happening right now. We are seeing in the background something they're not talking about, a very stealthily sort of repositioning of assets into dollars because they need to build up insurance right now. And that insurance is US dollars. We are also seeing companies like Tesla picking up physical gold, and there's so many more actually. Palantir, there's a lot of companies that are out picking up physical gold. Now, where does that leave us? A lot of you say, well, yeah, but look, the price of physical, the paper price is going down, gold's down, silver's down. Yeah, but what you have to realize is go look online right now and see how much it is. It hasn't changed value. Why? Because there's a squeeze happening right now. And it could get worse. It could lighten up. I don't know. It's not my job to tell you. My job is to tell you what's happening right in front of you and what's happening behind the scene. I can't tell you what's happening in the future. But the facts are, since February 1st, we have seen a silver squeeze that's happening that has been continuous. And the premiums did come down in June and July and August, but now they're coming right back up. You know, the paper price is coming down, it's getting slammed down, and the spread between the spot price of silver and gold and then the price to get it in your physical hand is going up. And this has nothing to do with, I've talked to Andy Schectman of Miles Franklin. I always mix up Andy's name. There was another Andy that worked there. And my point being is that I've talked to him many times before. I've talked to the owners of ST Bullion, and this isn't them raising the price. This is them going to their dealers because their job is to get you the lowest price, right? And like Andy's just been crushing it. SD crushes it. You know, if you want it, my suggestion, this is what I've done when I'm buying precious metals, if you want to go online, you want to do a quick thing, SD has always done me right. Andy, I could go to Andy and go, hey, SD's got it at this price. And he goes, if he can beat it, he's going to beat that price. And I can't beat it because it's a promotional thing. They're crushing it on that. Just go for it. But by and large, like 80% of the time, Andy's able to actually beat other dealers' prices, AppMex, JM Bullion, all these places. So I'm like, I'm always looking for the best deal. That's what I'm looking for right now. But all of them say the exact same thing. They said, we're trying to get it, we're competing with all these other guys. We're trying to get it to the lowest price possible, but our suppliers are raising the price because then they can't go get it from the mint because they're having shortages and all that stuff. So I want to encourage you, this is a very interesting time right now. We are seeing all of these things going down in price. We're seeing the dollar get strong because of a light liquidation event right now. People are jockeying themselves for some good deals. So like, let's say flash crashes or a correction. You know, we're overdue for a correction in many markets right now. So there's a lot of people pulling back, and the problem is there's so many people that are selling off little bits of their assets right now. It's creating way more sellers than buyers. So that's why the price of everything's going down. So I hope I gave you guys a little bit of insight to it. I hope you gave you some hope. I'm still a continuous buyer of all assets as they are going down in price when I have cash, but I'm also trying to keep a good amount of cash off to the side. And I like to allocate my assets equally, all right? So I want all of my bags equal, and then I have a certain amount of cash off to the side because I want to pounce on a deal. All right, guys? Hope you got something out of this. Thanks for everyone that's hitting the thumbs up button and that's subscribing. You guys are awesome. You know me, I'm driven, I'm goal-oriented. I just want to get to 100,000 stuff so bad. You gotta have a goal, right? So my goal is 100,000 in 1 year. So that's my goal. And I tell you that not only to encourage you that you guys can do this, anybody can do it. Life is awesome. Have a great day. Economic Ninja is out.